Hi all, welcome to Graphics Desk.
In this video, we'll talk about problem related to engineering curves. And the problem statement is draw an involute of a circle having 50 diameter. Now this has already appeared in the Pune University examination in the month of May 2024. Okay, so let's begin. So in the problem statement, you have draw an involute of a circle having 50 diameter. So we'll start with the horizontal line. So we'll draw a vertical line, which is the first or initial position of the circle for which you are going to draw the involute. Now, this is the start point and this is the end point for our involute, which means we'll have to measure 157 from this point on this horizontal line. Which is 157. So here. So this is the line or string when it is completely unwound. Now let's draw the circle here. 50 diameter, that means 25 would be the radius of it. Let's measure 25 and look at the center from this point and draw a circle from this as the center. These are two. So we'll have to connect all of these points to the center because you have to draw the tangent which will be perpendicular to the radius. And the lines that are perpendicular would be drawn. So we'll draw it from here. Let's name these things. This is point A, B, C, D, we also have to divide this into 12 parts, and for that what I do is I'll simply draw a straight line at a certain angle, any angle you can take, and mark that as well into 12 parts. I take 1 centimeter each. So the first point against the last, that is 12th point here, this is the line, and any line parallel to it passing through these points will divide our 157 centimeter into 12 parts. Remember, 157 is the length of the thread that is wound around this 50 diameter circle. Now, this is the distance after 1/12 unwinding of the thread, which means if we take this distance, that's basically will come as a distance from this point. So this is the point that we are looking at. Okay, so let me quickly number these, name these points. So this is our K dash, J dash, I dash, H dash, G dash, F dash, E dash, B dash, C dash, and this is A dash. So here we have marked this from A point to measuring this distance. This is the point. Now let's draw tangents and measure the distance from them. I think I might need to extend a few lines, but we'll see. So these 2 points that we have located so far. The next is from the second point, and which will come from B. So this is the point on this line. Then again, I dash, L, yeah, this needs to be extended for sure. This distance, which will be half so far. Then from E dash to L, 7th, C8, C dash to L. We'll measure it here. $11.8. And we'll have to extend this anyway. This distance comes out to be 13.2. So that's 13.2 in this direction. 13.2. Okay, so this is the point. Next is 14.4. And the last point is this one. So let me name these points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will to extend that. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. So now we have to draw a freehand curve through these points. Now to begin with, it is easy because the distance between the point is not too much, but as you keep on drawing it, the points become farther away from each other. So you have to draw carefully as you go or progress with it. And the final involute would look like this. This is what the final image will be. Thank you for watching this video. We at Graphics Desk committed to spread the knowledge. Be a part of this journey, share this video and spread the knowledge. Until next time, bye.